Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into YouFibre, a UK broadband provider that's been making some serious waves, which is usually corporate speak for, we actually have a marketing budget. If you're tired of your internet moving at the speed of a snail on a Sunday stroll and want to know if YouFibre is worth your hard-earned cash, stick around. They are a full fiber company, meaning they run fiber optic cables straight to your home instead of relying on those ancient copper wires left over from the Victorian era. This means no sharing bandwidth with your neighbor, who's definitely downloading way too many educational documentaries. Think of them as the brave new kid on the block trying to pick a fight with the schoolyard bullies like BT and Sky. Let's talk speeds, because that's the only reason we're even having this conversation. Their entry-level plan starts at 150 megabits for just £24 a month, which is a solid deal for most normal households. However, they also offer a staggering 7,000 megabits. That's 7 gigabits per second, or enough speed to download the entire history of human knowledge before you've even finished your tea. Most people will never need that much power, but it's there if you want to future-proof your home or just feel intellectually superior to your friends. What's actually impressive here is that all their plans feature symmetric speeds. This means if you get 150 megabits down, you get 150 megabits up. Most providers treat upload speeds like a disappointing Christmas present, giving you the bare minimum. So this is a massive win for streamers, gamers, or anyone pretending to work from home. They offer various tiers including 300, 500, and 920 megabits, all with no data caps. You can use as much data as you want, finally allowing you to binge watch every mediocre sitcom ever made without a single worry. On the financial side, YouFibre is surprisingly competitive. That £24 entry plan is great value, especially since big-name providers often charge more for much slower uploads. They offer 24-month contracts or monthly rolling options for those with commitment issues, though the flexibility will cost you a bit extra. They also have a social tariff called YouFibre, offering 50 megabits for £16 to help those on benefits. It's nice to see an ISP that doesn't view affordable internet as a mythical concept. Plus, installation is free and they throw in a Wi-Fi 7 router, so you won't get hit with hidden equipment fees that usually pop up like unwanted weeds. Of course, it's not all sunshine and high-speed rainbows. While they boast a 4-star rating on Trustpilot from over 30,000 reviews, some customers have complained about installation delays. Apparently, expanding fast sometimes translates to, "We'll get to your house eventually, maybe." They do offer 24/7 support, which is great for when your internet dies at 3 a.m. and you need a human to vent to. Despite the growing pains, they actually won a Regional Broadband Provider of the Year award for 2025, so they're clearly doing something right besides just having a catchy name. So, should you choose YouFibre? If they've actually managed to dig a hole to your street and you crave those sweet symmetric speeds, they are definitely worth a look. The 150 megabit plan is fantastic value, and those upload speeds are genuinely hard to beat. Just be prepared for a potentially long wait for the technician to show up. That's my take on YouFibre. Do you actually care about symmetric speeds, or are you just happy if the Wi-Fi reaches the bathroom? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews.